I just want to finish our last problem on factoring with GCFs. This is actually a method called factoring by grouping, and we had started it in the last video, but let's just finish it. We go to group our first two terms and last two terms together, and remember how I said always put a plus between them? Well, we've got a minus there, but we're going to remedy that by saying 8y minus 8 plus negative xy plus x. Okay? Now, we go to find the GCF of our first set of parentheses, and that would be 8. So divide every term by 8, and we end up with y minus 1. And we put the 8 in front. Well, we know in the next term we would like our first term to be y. Well, how do we get rid of that negative x? Well, notice there are x's in both terms. Let's make our GCF negative x in the next set of terms, because if we do that and we divide everything by negative x, we end up with y minus 1. Look at that. And our negative x goes in front. So that's no longer a plus there, that is a minus. Now we have a common binomial factor. So our new GCF is y minus 1. Okay. And we're going to divide by y minus 1. And so we end up with 8 minus x, and then we can put the y minus 1 either in front or in back of it. And so that's finishing up the last problem, and thank you very much for joining me.